Hello guys, so this is the voltage regulator that I've been talking about. It's an L7805. Its schematic looks like this. We have V in, V out, and ground. Also, the component pinouts are arranged as the schematic. So the first pin here is the V in, where you place your input voltage. The maximum ratings of the voltage input vary from 5 volt all the way to 18 volts. So since we are working with a 12 volt power supply, it's going to work fine. The middle one is ground, this middle one right here, and the outer one is V out. So I want to show you and I want to explain to you the difference of using a voltage divider and a voltage regulator in a circuit like I did last time. So right here we have my multimeter and it's reading 6.14 volt constant. That is coming from the voltage divider middle part, middle part, giving a 6.14 volt output. So we say that the difference between using a voltage divider and a voltage regulator is that a voltage divider will vary once there's a load connected to its output. So immediately we place a load here, the value is going to drop, and it's going to drop really big. So if I place a simple LED at the output, you can see that it drops greatly up to 5.01, which is a very big drop of 1 point something volt. Yes, if we use a voltage regulator instead of a voltage divider, so let's place the voltage regulator like that, and let's transfer this output or the multimeter to the output of the voltage regulator. As you can see, now it's reading 5.03, which is what it's meant to give the component itself. So let's try and place an LED in its output and check what happens, if it's going to drop or if it's going to remain at that value. So we place an LED. You can see it remains at that same value, nothing changes. If we place another load like a buzzer, you can see the buzzer is on. You can see it's still giving a 5 volt output. So as you can see, the voltage regulator is very much efficient in terms of giving a constant output as compared to voltage divider, and that's the main difference between using a voltage divider and a voltage regulator. So basically a voltage divider is also a very important part of a circuit because it's good for signals, amplifying and all those stuffs, but in terms of powering something else, the voltage regulator is the more better option to use than the voltage divider. So this voltage regulator is what we are going to use in our reset circuit and display circuit of our digital fan. So we are still continuing with our digital fan. We stopped a little bit trying to figure out how we are going to power this IC, which is 74LS04 hex inverter, because its maximum, it cannot be powered by 12 volt as we are using in our circuit. So we needed another power supply or something to design to give it a 5 volt power supply. So that's what we were doing, and since we have it, we are going to place it, and next time we are going to continue with our digital fan circuit. So thank you very much guys for your time. That has been my time. Thank you guys, and if you have any question you can just ask. I'll be glad to answer you. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Goodbye.